Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, just tap on all of those switchers to turn them off. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date just by swiping, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and OK. What is more, we can change the time format. So right now we've got the 12-hour format. To use the 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher here. It's totally up to you. And then the time zone, you can tap on select time zone, and here you can manually choose the time zone you'd like to use. So simply find yours and then tap on it. You can also decide whether you want to use the dual clock, so you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and you will be able to choose your home city. So your device will display two different clocks from the place you're currently in and from the city. So this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.